أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني علما. Okay, now today we are going to learn about the Bumble Pie. So Bumble Pie, this is called Bumble Pie Kit version 2.0. Okay, now we have different components here. So we have assemble all this component. When you will assemble all the different components, you will get the final version like that. This is called Bumble Pie card. Okay, now on the top this is called the TechTree Pi shield, which connect the below circuit, which is known as the Raspberry Pi. So your Raspberry Pi is a what connect, yes please connect that. Okay, here is your full flash. This is called the motherboard of Bumble Pie. This is called what? Motherboard integrated circuit. And when you will combine these both circuits, TechTree Pi shield and the Raspberry Pi, we are able to connect here what? Input and output devices. Like we can connect keyboard, we can connect mouse, we can connect the USB. Okay, then here we have the power button, and with the help of this power supply you can give power to this circuit. And here is the power button. When you turn on it, these lights will appear over here. Okay, orange means that it's a power light. Green shows that it has some power. Okay, it's charged. When red LED will on, then it shows that low power. Okay, this give a power to these motors as well, these wheels. Okay, it has two wheels, two side planks. Then what we have here, chassis, top chassis and the bottom chassis. That is okay. Now let's connect with your computer system so that we can program it. And you can program this, you can control this Bumble Pie with the help of your mobile phone. Any Android mobile phone you can use that. So which application you can use TechTree Pi shield? You need to install first on your Android mobile phone. Then you have to connect with the help of Wi-Fi. Same Wi-Fi connection you have to use for, inside your mobile phone. And when you connect this Bumble Pie with the Wi-Fi, you have to use the same Wi-Fi connection. Okay, now I'm going to do what? I'm going to connect this HDMI cable. So it's very simple. First let me turn off the power, and where I have to connect, where is HDMI? Look here, there is called HDMI port here. I'm going to connect over here so that we can program this car. So I'm going to place it over here, and now I'm going to connect this with your system unit. This is, what is the name of this? CPU. No, sorry, it's not CPU.
It is CPU.
It is system unit. Inside this system unit we have the motherboard. On the motherboard we are having the small chip known as CPU, which is the brain of your computer. That process what? Information, mean data and instructions. Sounds good? Okay, now let's connect this with HDMI cable. We have this over here. So please, I'm going to disconnect this, and I'm going to connect with my cable. This one. To connect this HDMI cable over here, let me find it. Connected. Yeah, that's it. Just connect it, and now you can turn on the power. No need to turn on power. You just turn on power from here, and you will get this display on your screen. But I have to connect the keyboard as well, keyboard and mouse. So let me disconnect these wires from here so that I connect mouse and keyboard. Okay. With the help of these ports, I'm going to connect my keyboard and mouse like that. It's very easy. So one wire is very short, so I'm going to place this over here, and let's connect the mouse as well. Done. Let me place it over here. If you have successfully installed, now look here, I have connected. I was actually made one mistake. Actually I was connected this VGA cable which I have dislocated from the system unit. I have to connect directly over here. ठीक है, just disconnect from your system unit and directly connect with over here HDMI port over here, and then turn on the power. Okay, and after that you will get this display. Okay, now what's the next step? Next step is you need to go where, first of all, on the desktop you will find a folder TechTree. Double click on it, and here you will find number of projects over here. So first project that we are going to run, that is a car part. Just double click on that, open this file, and after that you need to load a app, TechTree Pi app on your mobile phone. Run that, and you need to enter the code over here. You need to copy the code, and then you just need to place that code over here, and then you need to just click on save. And after that we will need to open this terminal, and then we will write few instructions. I will show you that. And now successfully I am able to run this Bumble Pi car. So now look here. Ding 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 ding. Down to it, down. Moving slowly. I am connected with Bluetooth. Thank you, Miss Sidra. Thank you very much. Forward. This is the same card that we have used in our during training session. I have inserted new card after installation new software. That's it. Okay, now I have to go so that I can move forward. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Miss Sidra is ready now. The car is ready. Mobile Pi is ready now. Now I have to deposit the fee. Feeling better now. Connectivity to Wi-Fi. Good. Okay, now move forward. Come back. Go, Tiger, go. Backward. Move forward. This is our robotic.
He can use everything.
Come back.
Come back.
Following the instructions.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn that how to install Raspberry Pi operating system in this SD card. First of all you need to plug in, and after that you need to find the SD card formatter over here. Click on bottom left corner, type SD card formatter, click here, and now run this SD card formatter, click here. After that you will get this interface, and now you need to select what the hard disk drive that you want to format. So in this case click on this PC, and after that you need to find the drives over here. So in my case I'm having these drives. This one I have to select USB drive I to format. At the bottom bottom left corner, click on taskbar, and now you need to select drive I, click here, drive I, and now format it, click on format. Yes, so it's what 14 GB card formatted successfully. Click on OK. Now we have to install the OS Raspberry Pi operating system. So let's start. Now at the bottom left corner, click here, bottom left corner of the window, and after that you need to do what? Type Win32 disk Win32 disk imager. Click here, and now run this. Now you need to select what image file. Click on browse. Now select the drive where you have stored Bumble Pi OS. So here is Bumble Pi 2023 Bumble Pi OS. Open this. This is SPN TechTree Bumble Pie version 2. Click here and now click on open. And now you need to click on write. Yes. That's how you can start writing the best version operating system on your SD card. Thank you.